Yes people, we've got a belter for you today. Shout out to all my transporter crew, you're going to love this one. Custom transporter. The rain started getting absolutely ridiculous for this one, so we only did a quick SnowFoam video. Sorry about that guys, but I hope you enjoy it. Nice satisfying ASMR for you. But yeah, I'll show you a quick little glimpse from the inside. Porky Pig, make sure if you're in the Christmas markets in Manchester, go check them out. Very famous food stall at the Christmas markets. It's the one with a big queue that goes on for miles. Yeah, so we're going to start off with using dual auto care, Assault SnowFoam. Lovely rims. Porky Pig himself on them. Make sure you drop a comment where you're watching this video from, country, town. We've had some really cool countries commenting, so we'd love to see it. So don't be shy. Like I said before, the rain started hammering down. I really thought my phone was going to break after this one, but we're still here. So yeah, sorry about little blurry bits in the video. We honestly couldn't help it. If you're looking for a SnowFoam that you've not really been happy with the ones you've been using, we use dual auto care, Assault SnowFoam every time. Wonderful products. Mr. Porky Pig himself, watching over the lovely cars. When you've applied your SnowFoam, let it sit for 5 minutes while it drags all the dirt down, making the car safe and sound to do the contact wash. Time for the rinse off. I know you guys love this. If you've got a transporter and you're watching this, drop a comment what transporter you have and what do you think of this one. Put down in the comments links where you can buy this product from. So if anyone wants to buy it after watching this, you can do. Just go to the link and get straight to it. Loads of Black Friday sales on at the moment. A lovely day in Manchester to be cleaning cars. We had the choice of going on a Saturday or a Sunday, and we picked the Sunday. Saturday was sunny, Sunday was this. But when you live in Manchester, you get used to this weather, so we just thought we got to do it. You've seen the two cars on the drive. If you've not checked out the Lambo video, go check the Lambo video out. That's up there now. And thank you for watching everyone. If you've not subscribed already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It goes a long way. We're on the journey to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then after that we're going to the moon. And there we have it, looking shiny after a SnowFoam, ready to get contact washed. The dual auto care Assault SnowFoam's really done its magic. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. We've got a few more editing at the moment, so get ready. Loads more to come.